Okay guys, let's check the market today and see how we can make up to $200 today. However, if you want to make more money from here, then you need to join the Telegram channel, and of course right from there you get to see my updates on signals that are sent, and of course you get to see more signals right there which you can actually trade and make some good amount of money for yourself. So the link to the Telegram platform is going to be in the description box, and I'll try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with boom 1000. I will be using 5-minute time frame, and of course I am using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. And of course guys, if you are having, you can join me also. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Actually this actually started an uptrend. Boom 1000 started an uptrend yesterday. You can see it right from here. It kept on buying and buying, got to this resistance zone, and actually played around it for a while before breaking out above it. Okay, so you can see it really played around it for a while and it broke out above it again, and that is why we added still buying and buying, and it has gotten to another resistance zone. And of course this is still going to, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, but if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then we expect it to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let me quickly go down to 30 minutes time frame to see what is happening around there. Okay, so guys, this is 30-minute time frame, and just the way we are seeing it, okay, this is still going to buy more because we expect it to get, once it breaks out from where it is right now, once it breaks out from here, we expect it to get to this region, okay, to this particular spot, this part. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So let's move on. So boom 500. Okay, still on 5-minute time frame on boom 500, and of course this had also been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. We got a sell signal around here and a downtrend signal, and of course it sold, broke out from this support zone, from this particular support zone, and of course it kept on selling and it has got into this new support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, then we expect it to go back on buy trend. So right from here it picked up a buy trend, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, but was unable to break out from this resistance zone. So it started selling again. It started selling right from there. So if it didn't go for long, probably after getting, if it's able to cross this trend line, then definitely we expect it to get to this region. But if it's unable to cross here, then it will go back up and try out this resistance zone and give us more buying opportunity. Okay, so if it crosses this and it buys more, then definitely we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, to the spots, guys. So we should take note of that. And of course if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important, somewhere here, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is very, very important. That is, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, okay, so then it should get to these highlighted regions. Okay, so we should take note of that. But if it breaks out below this trend line, then it may likely sell till it get back to this support zone, so we should take note of that. Let's check out crash 1000. So this is crash 1000, still on 5-minute time frame. It started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and so till it got to this support zone. So right now it's going back on uptrend. Okay, so once it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy and try to get to this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, to this particular spot. Okay, and once it breaks out from here, then it should get to somewhere here, which is also an important place. Okay, and once it breaks out from here, then we should be expecting it around here. Okay, so we should understand all these. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. It actually went on downtrend and got to this particular support zone. It's unable to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend but has not been able to go there fully, to go into it fully. Okay, so as you can see, it came down a bit and we'll be trying it again. Okay, so once it breaks out above this, we are expecting it to get to this region. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not get to this region, then definitely it might be going down to try out this support zone again, so we should take note of that. Okay, but let's say it gets to this resistance zone and breaks out above it, then definitely we expect it to get to this spot. This spot, it's going to be a long buy. Okay, so we should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity right from there. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with. So in case you want more trading tips like this or signals like this, you can join the Telegram platform and we get to you get to see more trading signals right from there and take advantage of the market immediately. So I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.